When it's cold, I shall leave the fire burning me. Let it choke, let it smoke on my agony. Me said, God, share my story to a mystery. Getting your phone or something, I don't know what it is.
All right, thank you. As you know, a little bit cold here, so I have to get my jacket on so that we start the show. All right, thank you, all of you who are watching. So once you come, you share. Today, I'm going to show on some very, very important things, mommy, because as you know, we don't already understand what will happen. When I don't enjoy that beautiful music, and just now, we don't always go 500 as soon as possible. So when I keep sharing, anybody come at this time, me just make sure say click on share. Today we will get some very simple and straightforward issues. Where I will discuss them with you now, mommy and papa them. Now I want to thank you very sincerely because every single day we get a clear path towards our victory. Every day the enemy they make mistakes. Every day. Because now so God we don't ordain this revolution. Today I will go straight for the point. We will make some special fundraiser today for assist with the Swiss-led talks. And then also for assist Red Dragons and other issues for revolution. So all man get for be ready. Now we will also give an update about what happened for the issue with my crypto boya and the FBI follow up. Make all will know one thing, mommy and papa them. You get for be very strong for fight corruption, embezzlement, and cabals. Now whether way the police they kill them easily. Now one they fight crimes. Not the one they gave for insight, technical investigation, because they didn't have an office and they follow up. Now, one they gave for street and they fight crimes. Very dangerous. As now they join me, maybe share me, all man get this live show. Thank you so much. God bless you as now they join. Now, I will talk this one for my mommy and my papa there for damn day. Anybody join me share, will listen to that music again some more. In fact, I will bring some different music. We're all now knowing our president in music. I go for here for YouTube. I find the music very quickly. Beautiful music. So I will bring them, we will start them. So we'll listen while we share. All man share extensively. Thank you so much. In 2 minutes, I will start the show. And I want to show you something. I wore something for my hand. Now new cat, this one I don't buy them. Cat, plain cat. Now new way to this, plain cat I don't buy them. I want to show you some game today for define the revolution with this plain cat. We listen to this music. After 2 minutes, I will start this show. My way miss. Share extensively. Thank you so much. God bless you.
Assistant Vice President for Digital Services and Chief Information Officer, Office of Technology and Digital Services, American University of Nigeria. Yeah. Are you Richard Mataya Nene? I job. I make his name.
Thank you. We will not get time. As you be aware, this show is just impromptu, but I'll be very happy say we not already come online more than 500,000. God bless you all, mommy and papa them. Mommy and papa, fellow Southern Cameroonians, when you fight for liberate yourself, you must make sure say you indeed liberate yourself, because freedom na something will be tough. When we say it got to be through and through. Now, why that way? Once you don't understand the perspective of the truth, you will remain firm no matter the sabotage. And people where they lie, it is easy for catch them. I will talk today, I will demonstrate with this cat. Now, when I must see, as I be aware, I be happy say today I just straight on these two aspects. For raise money for Swiss, I will demonstrate something during that process, and for talk about the FBI and my trip to Boya stuff. The first thing first, I say, one thank all man for Ground Zero, where it was this show at this time. Hello? 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 So we thank all man where ide for Ground Zero where the watch this show at this time for tell them say may God bless them enormously. Now make I talk this one for all man where ide for this show now so. Just 1 quick minute. A lot of people they call me. I don't know what to go on. I just make sure say I put. Okay. So as I be the talk for independence movement, like Professor Lumumba talk. The aspect for corruption, you don't get for joke with them. And now a very serious fight because we never take potential criminals and infiltrators that enter inside Amazonia. It never ever happen. I'm gonna know one thing. Yesterday we been a turning point in the life of this revolution. I can't say what turning point. Yesterday been a turning point in the life of this revolution. So we almost know as a people, say, you don't already define the path where one go. And Amazonian power turn on one thing. Fellow Southern Cameroonians, Amazonians, you must remain firm to the understanding of the fact, say, conspiracy theorists, manipulators, thieves, embezzlers, infiltrators within their revolution. They don't already take themselves out yesterday automatically. 1 minute. Hello? Sister, I did live. I do how? Yes, please. Send me text. If you send me text, it will be better because if you send me text. Okay. All right. Thank you, sister. All right. Thank you. All right. Okay, so mommy and papa them, as I be talk, we all would already know exactly which side we stand. And I gotta make me know one thing. The devil will be extremely very manipulative. In fact, you don't even use the word satanic for defining the devil. When I must know, say as soon as I begin every battle, I know say the fight get for be tough, but it be easier because now people the way I don't deal with them. I know the way that they walk, and I did not for walk that way. Now why that way you see everywhere in every battle. Now we will get them very clearly, mommy and papa them. Just for mention for you, say we done already systematically overthrow the enemy for the revolution. And I be happy with the stance where the Ambassador people don't take up. Revolution, it depends on one thing. Truth to power. Professor Lumumba we talked the other day for town hall. He moved your book, he show examples them. We all would already win. La Republic of Cameroon, no. Say some one activist there, if they succeed for take it down, it will hamper the revolution considerably. But unfortunately for them, for that activist, now octopus, now smoke, forget it hard. Now when that way I uproot all the criminals. Today I will show us until with this cat. I go buy a new cat. Now in this show, I never open them. Mommy and papa them. We will start first for open floor for fundraiser as people they join. We go to raise fund now for go for Switzerland. And I will just use this short minute for explain something that happened yesterday. Now, me will get them very well. I need to get my pen and my paper, or I will jot them from my phone as people they call. So, we will make special, we will call and say operation, go to Switzerland by force. Now, any man where he won't contribute, make a call, my number 917-480-1068. They pick them, they won't go. So we'll contribute state by state. If you be Manu state, you call me. One man rally for Manu, we call. We'll put your contact. We get for must do this thing. And I want to understand what I want to do. When I see what can happen now, then I will bring this card. I will end now the FBI. Timmy Ambassador put the eye open. Mommy and Papa, as an activist, your primary rule, responsibility, and duty, now for open people the eye. Make them understand. Me, you give them, what they call and say, you make for them, they make informed choices. Make them not be deceived. So you must demonstrate within the best way possible for put out the issue for them. Now, when I listen very well, when a revolution, it then back completely. In fact, yesterday we've been at the magic ball. As you be aware, I will start first with already 1,000. Once today, exactly 1,000, just a few numbers. When I share them, that I will start now with this facial fundraiser for go for Switzerland. When I listen very, very attentively, this card there, and not forget to we use the card. As a matter of fact, man, open the card first. Man, open this card so that we will use this card for the game where I want to play. Now I will show now how we used to do card. Now, very, very attentively. After this show, they're not going to talk again. We're going to know who feel raise money past the other person for this show. Now, 1 minute, man, just share the card. Very good. Interesting. All right, thank you. Now keep sharing. We'll go up to get everybody. So, at the tier, now you cut this. I turn off on her face, not be so. All right, very good. Very good. Excellent. New cut for her face. I want to show now something you understand. Keep sharing. Thank you so much. As you join, you share. Fresh from the. Now wait to this. Plain card. Very good. I'll keep on for now for the time being. Now, Mommy and Padem will start the fundraiser. We will make them very clear because activists you working for do her. Demonstrate, teach your people. Now the wait now the very time Mark Barretta and Tapan to do them for teach what people for respect ghost town wait till today. Those ghost towns they see there. Now the very thing we go do them for teach people they may not be deceived by hypocrite thieves. You ever teach people, for example, say, like I did teach plenty people them, when they call you for social security, say, somebody call you, say, he got information about you, you not pay tax, he got cash you, me give your social security, he get all the information. They that ask you your social security. One thing they will know say, Social Security Administration, you need to call man for phone for ask you your social security. It is ORIS. That internal, it come right for they will send you a letter. Those are the small things that we small things that we teach people. Okay, we'll start Mommy and Papa them. We will make now, we'll take small funds. When I begin to write down, we will try to raise small money so that people will understand the way we go about it. Good. Now, maybe we'll make them very clear. We will take the first caller. When I write them, we want to raise small funds for go for Switzerland. Good, very good. Okay, I want to get the first person. All right, so we will take the first caller for today. Me will know which side what you want to contribute. So please, as you join, you share extensively. Listen, we got to flatten the enemies in the revolution. Professor Lumumba said, so you must identify. Hello?
Hey.
Yeah, hi, my brother. How for you?
I did bless my brother.
Will you do this special fundraiser for Switzerland, for go for Swiss? Now you come out with now which state this? One me state the rally. Which state?
Mezam State.
Mezam State. Very good. Mezam State. So Mezam, you give you how much today? You don't bring how many people in for support the initiative?
We'll get about 10. We'll give $34,000.
$34,000. Wonderful, 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 wonderful. Mezam State, $34,000. Very good, very good, excellent. God bless you, brother. I'm going to take next state. Now, $34,000 that for Mezam. I go write them down. When I put the amount of Mezam State, $34,000. Wonderful, 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 wonderful. Hey! Another caller to call. We'll take another caller. Hello? Hello?
Yeah.
Yes. Now who state that? Momo State, excellent, excellent. How much you want them?
I don't rally my sister then, my brother then will come on Momo. We did around 15 of us, I would run pledge $36,000.
$36,000. Wonderful, Momo. $36,000. Mommy and Papa then got there for this revolution.
$36,000.
36,000 for Momo. Wonderful. In less than 3 minutes, we don't raise $60,000 plus. Excellent. Wonderful, Momo. Wonderful. We will take another state. Now Momo state that don't call. Wonderful. We now share extensively. I'm telling you something. We must go Switzerland by force. Mommy and Papa them, we almost know. Say, now study revolution. We don't take our revolution back. And no way, not the way, we fit give them to the enemy. So Momo, another state call. Hello?
Hello?
Yes. Now which state that?
Yes,
Fako or
Yeah.
Fako that was slow. Go ahead. Fako won't get how much?
Yes. Yeah, we put we are 10 of us and we put in a package and it's 42,000.
42,000. 10 people for Fako. We don't finally go Switzerland. 10 people for Fako. Wonderful. 10 rounds of event. Excellent. Now Fako that 42,000 for Fako. Wonderful. Jesus Christ. Mommy and Papa them, all we must not say on our revolution. We go take more callers. They're the only call. We leave us so. We wait. Wonderful. See, my turn. I want thing, Mommy and Papa them. When I get for no, I want finish that. I will bring when I did demonstration for Cat Moon. Understand. So all we will get for support was state them because we won't go for Maryland. All we go support our state them because we won't go for Maryland. We take some other big donors them. So we keep our contribution coming. I hope that you write them down. Momo for another state. Hello? Yes, please. Yeah, now we state that. Lady Alam. Oh, feel my person don't come. Please clap. Field Marshal person don't come. Very good.
We are doing this for Field Marshal for all the soldiers he has been killing and everything he has done for us.
Mm-hmm.
So we are pledging 48,000.
48,000. I heard that Field Marshal he killed 200 soldiers yesterday and then he composed two new tracks. Is that true?
Yes.
Thank you so much. Le BLM get $48,000. God bless you. Very good.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. God bless you. Mommy and Papa them we will keep the contribution coming. So when I begin to calculate them, so Mommy will get to go Switzerland by force. God bless you now. Now Mommy and Papa them will continue for talk say una revolution. I want to demonstrate on Team Una Siam. Me all una know exactly the way we got to do things and for put revolution ahead. Now, Muna listen very attentively. Now, una get to know. Good. Very good. Hello?
Hello, come on.
Yes. Now, which state that?
Nigerian State.
Indian State. Excellent.
Brothers and don't decide, yeah. We don't decide, say, we from Indian State we will put $36,000 US.
36,000. Wonderful. We don't have more than 200,000 in less than 5 minutes. Excellent. Wonderful. Yes.
We will put $36,000 US, and Ambazonia must be free whether they will like them or not.
Good. Thank you so much.
Wonderful job.
So much. Yes. So Indian, excellent. Listen, God will bless you. We call from Indian State. Thank you so much. So Mommy and Papa them, we will leave on small time. We calculate to the rest. They will come for part 2 after. May God continue for bless all the people that contribute. I hope that they hear the money. Very good. Excellent job. So we look the next state. Now what other state won't call? Very excellent. We will take one other state before we'll go on for other issues and we'll go analyze them for you. So, we will take some other state. Please keep sharing. What? See, when a revolution therefore be demonstrated, we will understand who's on the go. Okay, we'll take some other state. Hello?
Hello?
Yes.
Hello? Yes?
Yes. Now, who state that?
Nagoyo.
Boyo State. Excellent.
Yeah. I get 16 people who I don't put together where we don't say we must support Kogoda Swiss.
Good.
Yes.
Now, so now how much?
$37,100.
$37,100. Ma calculate, we leave and first for part one. For part one, for the 400 that will go Swiss. Ma see how much we don't raise them all together before. May God bless you now. God bless you now. I know say a lot of them won't contribute. Mu take another donor. Mu take another donor. So other person don't have a call. Mu take one other donor. Very good. Very good. Okay, mommy and papa them we'll keep the calls coming. Keep the calls coming. We will take another state. We'll take one other state. We'll take two other states and then we'll go for part two. Hello?
Hello?
Yes. Now who state that? Meme, good. Go ahead.
Yes. Okay, we just we 20, so we don't put together 33,000.
33,000 for Meme. Excellent. Wonderful. Hold on. Leave a man jot and down. Man, I don't want to forget that money. Meme, hold on. Another person because so just hold on. I fed jot Meme on for down. I beg. When I live and so, when I want to do all money for one day. Very good. Ma go. Meme say they give how much? Meme give 33,000 because at the end of the show, I want to calculate see how much will come out 33,000. Very good for Meme. We'll take next person. Hello?
Hello?
Yes, please.
This is Seseko. I'm calling from Manu State.
Good.
Manu State is going to contribute. Is pledging $51,000.
$51,000, man, you state. That money, wait, no, we'll me all other state, hold on. We'll calculate how much we'll raise some for 10 minutes. 10 minutes. We'll put the amount together in 10 minutes. We know say more pledges will come in. We'll get more give 31,600. Mezam give 34,300. Fako give 42,000. We'll get Indian give 36,000. Le BLM give 48,000 for Fimasha. Seki 2,000 soldiers. They sing 2 new music. Boyo give 37,100. Then Mbusa Manu give 51,000 just now, and then maybe give 33,000. So one put all this together, I will see the amount. 31, 34, now already 75. That's 65. 900, you add 40, you go 100,000, $505. You get another 36,000. Hold on, 40,000, 51. We're already for 218,000. You get 37,000. We're done there for 250 something thousand. You added 33, they'll get $280 something thousand. Move get one last call and me run up to 300,000. Any man if you have we move go to $300,000. So any state we will live and so at this juncture. If you ever make them, so we'll take one last caller before we go for the other state them. Thank you so much. God bless you now. Hello? Hello? Boyo State again. Second time of Boyo State, yes. Go ahead.
22,000.
22,000. Excellent. Wonderful. So at the end of the day, we will give Boyo State don't give 22,000. So I will now send them out there, me the calculator, and we'll get the grand total. Boyo State again. 22,000. Boyo State again. Okay, equals to $22,000. Very good. So I will send them now for account and they will calculate them all the money, you see how much don't come. When I send me the, I just send them for you, director. I'll send them for you and the other man for Momo, so that maybe we'll get the total amount. No, wait, we need 1 minute. When I keep sharing, please. I want them to go for the card game now. And yes, so please. Okay, I don't send them for you, director. I send them for you, Mr. Manuel call from Momo State and Nizam State. I don't send them for now. When I do the total calculation, we know wait till it come out. Now wait, I know we'll take calls now. So me will calculate all. When I put the figure, I'm for that for now because nobody do the calculation wherever they live. So calculate that all. Then when I send the amount from our inbox, we'll read them. Then we'll put all things together. All right. So get one last. Don't worry, I'll open line for one last person for call. Mommy and Papa them. Now when they will do the total, I will bring the total order race and for go for Swiss, and I will make sure say I explain which way I want tell now. Now, very soon the total for the money will come out. I want to know one thing. Yesterday, I did enter for Zoom, where Sako be claim say the raise money. Una know say when man don't thief, he will ever find way because Sako on thief he pass Grand Kumba. I see where Sako is sorry they cry for saying a lie. Now lie saying on there for that put a pocket. Una all they do now yesterday Chris Anderson arrest 208. So now no say lie today before razor. And Sako put on top now they only saying a lie. Lie how? Now you call, now you pledge. I like this Sako is so good, man. I know how to deal with you very well. Say now lie. Now lie. Wait for the call. Now lie. Now listen very well. Some man say my new name na Clockbet. I like that name and I will tell the significance of Clockbet. Mo take the other one call, I'll add the money. Hello? Yes, but now which state?
I come for Boy State, Boy.
Boy, one year much.
No, I don't gather like 20 family members them. So we already put together 30,000 euros. We already put together 30,000. So we pledge 10,000 on top. So we'll give 40,000.
40,000. Wonderful. We stay. We don't give 40,000. Thank you. Leave us so. Man, add 40,000 for Bush State. So put add that calculation. Not forget to add 40,000 Bush State. Now just 10-minute fundraiser. We don't get almost $400,000 US. People they still call and leave us so now 2 of our life will contribute. Now, mommy and papa that's a bit tell now. You see, Sako say ambassador put in a toy them where we can lie the all time. Yesterday I enter for day. I talk say waiting. I enter purposely for make sure say man make them to understand say I will follow them anywhere because I be police. I enter for day, I put my name in Ngwa. As I enter for that Zoom call, now I even go in that, oh, one comrade is here, let's listen to Mr. Ngwa. I said, this is Ngwa from Bafut. They say, Mr. Ngwa, what do you want to do? I said, no, I'll give $3,000. Can't see clap for 2 people. That's what they clap. They clap today. They will say, this is Eric Tato. According to Nana, I want to take more money for chop. 2 people. My sure now tell about this cat, mommy and papa, the way to where Sako travel do yesterday because when I calculate the amount, then when I send me the figure, I add 40,000 for Bui. We'll end up on now, they will continue later on at the end of the show. Now, you know, when you go for market, for that mommy, they know for Widiku market, other market for boy or for Bui. Where you go sell, some boy there they play in Jambo. From the main market, you see the boy they can cut. Now cut this now. Then the can't talk say, I tonton your eye. You know why? If it come right, now so mommy don't gather. Mommy don't go your money, won't go buy a fish from market. All man don't gather, Paul don't gather. Then that man when a katika, because I saw Sako na katika, then that county head them, they tell that chinda them for that tonton your eye game. Don't stand inside crowd. You ever walk catch you. He go say, you see, now what is this? Now jump at this now, he put her down. He move do again say, now what is this? Now king now, he put her down. He move so, it's not queen now, he put her down. They okay, you see, now Sako that, now Tina Sako the do yesterday, so no. He said, well, I do have, I turn your eye, go this, I turn up. He said, Wusi king. That time, one of him put them inside crowd. He go come up, he tell us, Siamo. He said, point him. He point us, and this. He turn him. Oh, you chop. He said, okay, now I want to add something. Add some more money. Show me somewhere the other one. They move on. He said, I turn your eye. He said, you see Joker? He said, yeah, I see him. Okay, show me somewhere you see Joker, put small thing. That man will say, I put 10,000. He make us say, sure, so. Oh, you chop, it glad. What did they try to do? Then he make sure say, you are there for crowd. Where you be victim. Me you do harm. Me you run. You can't go use your money. Where you want buy fish. Your money where you want go buy oil. Buy school bag for your picking them. Me you can't do harm. Make you come, give them. That's what I could do yesterday. So in a arrange your back, let all the people they call. Mama Kamuna know. Now I use a demonstrative show this for show ambassador people they say, never again will the fight against the republic will not be deceived. Never again. So it don't bring the county heads. You know be so on a door. So man will come out say come out barefoot. Barefoot man they can pledge money for Sako, for open where barefoot there for them they squeeze barefoot. Barefoot the beg money now who the struggle for saying barefoot $2,000. And then some man the guy say pledge 7,000 for barefoot or 5,000. Then they clap because they hope say you will be so innocent man. They want to go and say bandwagon effect for communication. May you follow them so that you're gonna go contribute their real money where Sako will use go chop and pay rent. I'll be happy because it will end now within their cabal. When Sako demonstrated yesterday, it didn't how I got tabi them, men got them and the rest have handle them. Mbelamoke they come back early them, along poor. They come for side, they come for their areas them. They can say, oh, contribution for CPJ, but tabi say it don't get 200 million, do one. But you don't even have you didn't ever see the money because the one that say you have a small local teacher, small clinic man, small this, you take your own money as well. You can't give them in the end and they go do that campaign. You guys got to be wise. Now, listen very attentively, mommy and papa. For now, the only project where it be transparent, clean, where it be the richest, the most funded, not dark. Now the only ambassador project that way, it get where they see the amount. If not be saying as stupid, like people don't pledge, right? So man say quite 40,000. He said this. That was a game Sako was playing. I don't get for fundraiser away. Pastor Tata for Oxford Event Center, I raised money. Tata can take microphone. He said we'll give 4,000 for 4 guns. We walk come up with that hall. They say no, every time we have to announce the 4,000. I said no. I need announce money when I not share for basket. When I want announce pledge, when I do an after. Because tomorrow they'll say you announce this money, we didn't see this money. Now, Pastor Tata, he pledged $4,000. Then he has come up with the ask transport. Say me they give transport, me pay Uber goers. Man will pledge $4,000 for crowd. So all the small game where Sako, the maker, if you so don't know. Now, when I want to claim I don't donate no. When I want to say how much we don't raise today. If we not be fake, we want to not be fake. If we want fake, we not fake. So anyhow they all will know how to play the fake game. I don't talk say if you want to deal with a thief like Sako, you got to go dirty, rough, and careless. Not be job. Because a man where I don't work with you, I raise money all kind of way. They take money, eat chop money, buy handbag for woman, buy crap. They pay some of the limit and they crap. If not be say you door, somehow can call you, they never know you. As just see pass a video. If they don't contribute how much, it don't contribute $10,000. You be glad. This sister I don't call say contribute for boo, you know it. Who's I going to get a pledge? Until Full Johnson of all people. That was the one that I don't know. I can't contribute with the name Ngwa. Full Johnson, Full Jam, the most common thing I say, Full Johnson there for contribution. He start meeting. He start to they tell them all where they fit transfer money. This is the cash app. This is the this is this. And Full Johnson, oh yeah, as Jordan Escaro. Now Full Johnson said yesterday. Now I make them they know say. Now Full Johnson make them they know say na plan app. Yeah, Full Johnson. He can he take microphone. Man, we don't tell you how they will contribute to the cash app the Zell day. Yeah, Full Johnson. Full Johnson say yes. I'll give $1,000. I'll give $200 now. I'll give $800 after. Then your question the man, the doorman don't ask him. So how do I send the money? How do you send which money? Sako, you got to punish Sako. The guy then door. How you ask say how do I send the money? So you want to contribute the money. Let me know I go send the money. How do I send the money? You Full Johnson. You move $1,000 like that. That day no. They were Full Johnson. They were Full Johnson will contribute $1,000 that day. No virus, no ever can do it again. No one. See, listen, mommy and father. We'll be honest, right? Sako playing a clean that card game, Katika game yesterday. But all man cash out. All man now, Fufu don't tie for Sako. Fufu don't tie because they say they don't raise 300,000. So people did expect action. Fight and they expect money. now the money will not be there except you go take them for La Republic as usual. Because if you imagine, say, if not be say una door, right? See a very wonderful contrast. Chris Anu come on live. He can beg $20,000 for go broke prison. He stay till today. He no ever raise, will not get no account. Why you not go treat say $20,000 raise to break the prison? He go treat now the one way. Whoa, you na put the call. What call this side? Say the call from Banda. He give 14,000. They clap the right time. They never see the money. They say money I go play them for Berlin. They go small way come when I take and chop till today. Listen, mommy and papa them. When I get to understand, say as an activist, what is my role? And if they care cost they cost me. They don't cost me all kind of cost. It don't concern me. No way, no day. Not be my problem. But I define my strategy. And my strategy now for to talk to the people and take the truth and give them the truth. So person say wait and see. You don't ever see nothing when it comes to Sako. Nothing. I don't think I see when I don't go only one half prison. Now you see now Kemi Ashu and the rest of those fake profiles, they will not concentrate now on propaganda, fake news. You see tomorrow the Jordan write down breaking news, gunshot head in Moyoka, Telegraph, they know. I go debunk all. Call go write for Moyoka or video. I tell you what you know. Because now the thing now how we will cast the report for inflame social media with lies. I will not stop for take female abuse to keep. Female shall fight for side. That was a guy whom we used for absolute propaganda. Not between those female shall fight. Then he had for propaganda machine. But now he did the fight again. What you get to support when night don't be now the enemy come. When I see fighters for Red Dragon, more than 12 the devil Didi Allen. So the man will create Red Dragon confess on video. So when I see I get to know one thing. This one I will tell and say, Sako is coming. I look Sako I don't laugh because Sako if you say by doing the thing will get more power. The one activist where we feel defend every tackle. That raised the tapo. I think that's why I chop. All them, not tapo them. All them are picking them. They not do. They when I do all propaganda, una all 70 how many people, all activists. When I take time for 8 hours, 10 hours, I use 15 minutes, I collapse everything. Now any ambassador would go out there with his sense for a head. Say this is the game they played yesterday. Now where is the money? Mr. Ko challenged me. Put that money for bank. Give for fighter. You see 50 guns, 10 guns. The one will raise some $400,000. He go come out. He go come out. So all we get for know, say this is how these people act. And as a people, you must stand firm to defend the truth. Where are you going to? Where are you coming from? You are coming from a system that was full of lies, like Republic to Cameroon. That is a terrible system where you move out from, and you get people that like Sako, where you don't be so passionate about stealing from people, about manipulating people. Sako can make noise. You know Chef Bandino, he should also Chef Bandi. Say, before you want catch me, no worry, Sako. Not in America with it. Why the fear? If you not catch you, tomato will catch you. But if you rest assured, say you must go down for tip my people. All your soul that if you make noise, go up, down, come, go left, center, and so on and so forth. One thing when I never understand about me, and I'll talk very clearly. Say every tattoo, now the last person where we get down to intrigues. Last person. So I read one comment say he will not reply. Sako long reply. So when he talk say that for FBI for can cash he will be like say camera go pass now. If he reply now, I'll talk about FBI. He replies to me every day and he writes all the conspiracy. Who be the fake profile? Some fake profile they don't write. Mommy, my show us one other thing where I think a bit of interest. So in total, we don't raise. We take 15 minutes. We raise how much is $335,000. Must see if I get other details. I think they always now for me. Must see which I get in terms of details. Hold on 1 minute. I don't see 335. We got to make sure say all things okay. So very good. 335,000 for 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Write it down. When I tweet and I put that on our wall. Say every time to use 10 minutes, it is 335,000. So when Sako they bring that own, we'll bring our own. Not so. That's what we're going to do. We'll put that line. Thieves, criminals. When I want thief my trick to boy, not correct. When I want them full vulnerable mommy then. For make sure they can't give now. Cabal, tonton your eye. Now we see Joker. Now me I see Joker. Criminals. So all those small game when I play, it be unfortunate. Say every time today on the case. See you know some principle the day where when you don't hear that secretaries They do the child bring back come for your school. He say, Master, why I go change school? Because he need to laugh for me. I be that kind of principal. Ask about Tayo Dennis for GHS with the come. He the whip. Principal, you can't school so you respect yourself to go as. Now me. So long as a day for the revolution, Sarko will get one eye space with that cabal. Now me every tattoo. No matter what. I be one man when I saw the government, when I don't recruit a huge number of fake profiles. They attack Telegraph, attack Eric Tato, talk to one go this side. They say they don't impregnate 10 women. Some they say now 70. So mommy said they call her mommy now. Mommy, wait, that woman Minnesota. He say I impregnate. He say I impregnate how many women? He said now 5 when I wait. No, mommy, you forget. There are 2 people for Douala. I add them to. I get them belly. They fly come here. They don't go back. All them very fatal boy. Eric Tato. These boy, man. They were don't confuse, and this is the worst confusion. I'll just pull her out. They don't confuse you till they say, "Ma, just bring her out." I'll be even publish her. Ma, check and quickly for my this thing. Very good, very good. I'll be feel a lot of coding money. I'll be happy so I don't get hit back from my system. Okay, now some fake profile is where I don't really know it. Now Sarko a woman, a relative and stuff like that. Now one that, then the other fake profile will be cut grass for one of these Paco politicians in the house. I don't want to put his name here, but I will put his name after. He write say, now wait till you write, he go download my app. He go download my app. He say, hello. He say a big message to all Amber boys fighting on Ground Zero. If you are using National Telegraph Radio on your phones, click on install now. This radio is connected to MTN transmitters, links to Cameroon military modems and savers. Now National Telegraph that all. Well, you know sometimes confused because NT sound like MTN. You know they all they resemble. Mami, you see when you see frustration, and I will tell you one thing. He said the app it be connected to MTN modem. Apple app. It like say as you get WhatsApp for your phone, so he say it be connected to MTN. They share them. They promote every tattoo National Telegraph for free. Tell me go pay money. Me they promote on me. They guy they can promote for free. Don't share them the whole place. So there's some person come and say, bro, I don't know say get radio. I don't be listening at the radio now. So all man when you watch this show, hashtag National Telegraph Radio. Just go for App Store. Simple. National Telegraph Radio they was it there for App Store like Google. It there for App Store like YouTube, you never app to like WhatsApp. Now they say when you come America or in Europe, now tell you guys have Ambazonia, you got to develop very easy, and you see even the person way he build the app, he named the day, very nice, you know, very nice. So if not be say some this story or Sarko as they don't been a pig, then they be sheep. You join 2 dog animals together, you get a combination of sheep pig, very dog. You can put app. Say the app be connected to MTN. How manage app for Google Store it be connected to MTN? Apple app like how the Facebook is how they talk. They say be connected to MTN antenna. Not cheap. App not cheap. Oh Sarko. See, man, I know one thing, mommy and pardon. And what is fascinating now because the whole Ground Zero they listen the show. The whole Ground Zero they listen National Telegraph. Everybody going to be free. Above all, I don't even devise. I do it. I devise a means. I bring in my brother and friend with the UK, and I know you very well. Then I Mitch, I use this show for appreciate you. One of the finest IT techs that will get them for Ambazonia. My other brother Jonas with the Cyprus, one of the best. And then you get to Gideon, you get Armstrong, and they'll get this Black American brand. At the point where they don't help me, plus Salas attack for way. Now team you don't work on. What's happened? Mitch incorporate our radio for our website where you open all the pages. You see the radio, all the pages. You listen to the radio free. So now, while listenership don't move now, we're there for close to 5 million every day. Every day, people they go blast Telegraph all the stories. So we don't really be for a level where it will be difficult. See, for big Eric Tato, for social media war, they like say they say you go born heaven, we don't want that. You know, if you say go born heaven, play God is free. It's so tough. In fact, it's impossible. So now you can't win Eric Tato. Join him because social media, I'm the strongest in this business. Stronger. I get the potential. I get the techniques. I get the means, and then above all, I get the credibility and the authenticity. As I like explain for all Sarko services, I don't need enough of my website, but I always go there. Now, whether or not you wrong, go find my app. I need to look up download to. I did monitor on our website. How many people they listen? Like as I talk now, so I open my bar for my radio. You will see say we get more than 2 million people. You see Uganda, Cyprus, you see Philippines, you see Tanzania. Means everywhere people they listen to the radio. Everywhere. So easy, so nice, beautiful app. And the worst donors now say the person talk about the National Telegraph app should be connected to MTN, the radio. That radio, not be some device. That radio is just a small component for the app. So the app itself, it get ready. It get National Telegraph TV, it get National Telegraph News, it get my Facebook page, it get everything where be connected to me. We get for incorporate you to get my website, one app. One app. So when you go make small conspiracy, you help me promote, and I don't give me time for 10 minutes. I don't think I talk about my business very well for all man will watch me. Listen, whatever Sarko is showing, all those small chicken activism. Never a day where I will take your picture, you Sarko activists can put on my wall. No, you know why? Because when I think the lies about Eric Tato, I do it at day for night, I work 24/7. I publish news from Uganda, from everywhere. People they read, I expand my affairs of influence. But they concentrate on me. You do have. You concentrate on me for being conspiracy. I can't use 15 minutes. I collapse you. While you remain dull, I make more money, and then I destroy your conspiracy. At the end of the day, there's always one man who is the master, and that is Eric Tato. So all the Sarko are going to no. There is no way people are going to push it. No way. Forget it. You will not beat it. So, Mami and Pa, one time so much. I'll end this show now. I don't want to go too far. Say, all man when you listen to me, go out there, go download the National Telegraph app. It's there for free. It's there for your inside your phone like WhatsApp. Just imagine, say, if some person won't even bring conspiracy, you don't even go tell fighters the same way on install WhatsApp. Because WhatsApp not take the connect with phone number. App not get no connection, just there for space. So now the dawn is up. So one time everybody, all man must understand one thing with it. We need to beg none of us Sarko. I don't need to download that app. And you know how many followers I get them? Uganda alone, Zambia, Gambia, Nigeria. So we don't need that. To be honest, Sarko is put in a fake broke people. They no money. When I can't call money for space, we need to see the money. So that is it. That's it. So me all man not forget. By tomorrow we start. We launch our National Telegraph metrics for subscription. I want all my followers. When I go for them, all man go take a Monday subscription. Everybody go take Monday subscription with it. Just $10. Everybody go there and you're right. But if you don't subscribe, we need to beg you. We're not subscribers. So I talk particularly for Sarko for them. You get out with very cash, we block you. That is it. So me want to be very clear. Very, very, very clear. Now going forward, and short and simple, just to make them say, we were there for you. We get the DAC initiative where they out there. DAC. Now the only legitimate process for now, we get the tough as well for Dr. Cho Ayaba. We get the bonds for President Sisiku. I will encourage anybody to go there, go put what you want to put down if you trust the process. But for me, I will stand as an ambassador for DAC. Very, very important. I stand as ambassador for DAC to say, now a platform I trust them. Now all would watch where you go just type www.dacommunity.org. Now the only place that now will already fund campaign for Nigeria, and I will see them, will remove $2,000 according to the community. Give for back. Not be fake money. The money they if you go for the website, might just click on the website. That website. Please. Not time for calling. Please. Hold on quickly. Keep sharing. I won't go for Google. I'll be so happy, say, I'll be feel too much cold this morning, and I feel really very relieved. So, okay, that's good. Very good. Excellent. Dacommunity.org. .com. Perfect. All right, so my get them very clear. So we'll try to get them out there. Very excellent. So if you go for the DAC page, we'll do www.dacommunity.com. Perfect. Very good. So now the DAC this, where you type that one, you go for DAC, www.dacommunity.org. You go there, see them. They don't tell you say, not the way you say, come on, Jan, you talk for space. You come there, go see the money. You see, at the time, as the number of members don't go to 50. If they have 43 years, they don't go up to 50, 57, 257. You see the money where they did. We don't go to 80. $12,000 plus. Cash. The richest and comfortable platform. When I go, I see now community project. No man of it big community. So all my watch me just go now for that. click for the but that Gideon we don't show now yesterday for using. Where one come, one register, just click for the website. You click for here, you see log in. When you click log in, your up will take you go. Since we not get password, you can't click now sign up. You click sign up, it will take you go. You now you put your username, one user. You put your own email address, your email because it will send you notification. Then you can put your choose your password. Then you register now. It will send you this thing. Then you come in, I can log in, you do your $20 registration. This one, not be money to go for A, B, pocket. It come directly for you, the community. So one time, everybody will watch. And look the very terrible post where this one Muslim brother, why they call him Abdul Karim. Why they tell every day, say me defend himself for document that also for you for boy. I wonder if they listen. Because we not go tolerate the kind because not just pure criminal. Now criminals in this. Karim Shidong, he can say, we must move on. Move on to where? On top of the horse that you enter when you left a set. He said, the event of yesterday humbled me to the earth. Humble you where? And it took us about a year or more to produce the funds for MTTB. It took us less than 8 hours to raise over this. Good. You see, Karim don't join the gang for thief people them. He don't can write for confused, but it took you 8 hours. And you bring Pope for Ambazonia, he come now. Pope. For Rome, he come from Ambazonia, he talk. He no ever raise that money because people will still be a little bit skeptical. They try to build confidence. So when you see Abdul Karim, they can support thief-free. The first time we ever open my call my trip to Bana, when one make a meeting, they say, oh, Sarkozy succeed for raise money. Karim, you call yourself to be Muslim scholar. Wait to be so tough for you for come up for condemn bribery and corruption, for condemn thief-free. You say you lost your respect. You see, you fear for talk. You fear for talk because they oil your mob. You don't confuse. You can't say it took us 8 hours. So for your mind, you don't know say Sako, every you Sako play card at tonton your eye for your face. I call yourself a Muslim scholar. Sako play card tongo 419 people, and Abdul Karim is so badly destroyed. So badly destroyed. On the FBI issue, some people don't call me say, man, not discuss it. So we will update ourselves on that once my advisors won't tell me, say, man, just calm down because it was something very huge. So we'll leave them for today because I don't get that advice. We will take 5 callers and then we'll end the show, or we'll simply end the show so that means all man it make sure say it on board. So thank you so much, Mami and Padre. I don't tell you, say you will be very firm. La République du Cameroon already defeated. That one a point. Everybody knows that because Sarko will be the main infiltrator where we don't decode them and they on a very serious and steady throttling capacity for destroy the infiltration tendencies. And everybody they see them. So we're going to tell about that book and say, it will not be too late for you for repent. Not be a Muslim man with your pick. You'll be only Muslim with your pick now for the world. We all don't see them. You come up for fast. You break your fast now, lie. You break your fast, you can't really lie. You should be ashamed, my brother. It's a terrible thing. You get conversation with you, Faka Eugene. You record and you share them. A man who lacks dignity, who lacks integrity. You can't share conversation, private conversation. Where you record them. Where you not get no harm. Instead, you share them, you destroy yourself and the Sarko ID because you Faka Eugene be the support, switch up after you can walk talk with you. No more switch up. But you can't share them if you want sabotage. So all we're not going to be on the path. We're not going to choose or select any criminal for hitting. And all of them know very well. So one man there for every they don't ever succeed. Every tattoo. I don't really demonstrate on Amami how Sarko try for fool, for create the impression. Say, oh, people they sit there, which people? Thief man, a criminal, gangster, he chop crap. You know why they make that noise? Because he wants to take more money for CRA to probably find lawyer for defend himself when the issue start. Well, as I be talk, he bring county agent, say, na county they give the donation. So tomorrow he will talk, say, county or can't talk, say, they will still acknowledge. Say, oh yes, we don't receive the money when no money was received. So they don't give themselves a bigger trap. We now wait 1 week, 2 weeks, if we now hear anything about any of those prisons. We put our ears on the ground. And any person will get to take action for prison, you get to stop. If I get to do anything, I will announce them before I do them. I will just talk some location where the thing will happen before it happens because they can't take responsibility. So now we get to be happy. Say Sarko use a mop, a 419, he use a tonton your eye game with cat. Yesterday he destroyed himself, which is very important. Mami and Papa, I want to thank you and say, when I be rest assured, when I count on me for the defense of this revolution. And then if you are not fear for me, we not only pray, now all things I do, we not be control the work outside, go try the job. But for the Maryland or for the America, If you plan to kill Eric Tato, you get for campaign. Send, you want send a kata no? Send like 90. Makwo. That's a point no. That's a point no. Me, I do everything my address, you come there freeze. And if you ask for the know, they will tell you very well. So as I be top, mommy and pardon, the game is done. We don't completely disseminate and destroy the thieves. And everybody know the game we they played yesterday. We don't do the same game now. You know, that the day first ball they cry. So I play that I contribute to Sako. Another fake person. If you go yesterday, go make fake stuff. Very good. Now, when I got to understand one thing, they didn't know they cry because they calculate say, how they go do it. The money don't can announce so. If we not get the money, wait to go happen, wait to go, wait to go do this, and so on and so forth. All of us would already deal with them. We raise how much today? Over 350,000 for 10 minutes. When I use 8 hours, when I raise more than 200,000 at the club. So we don't see who them pass through. So when I stay very firm, when I be concentrated, say, Sako it plans, or it plan to don't be completely destroyed. Listen, I tell you one thing. If you want to destroy armed robber like Sako, not ever be polite. Be extremely rough, arrogant. Even all that crazy women, the way that they support him. I don't tell and say, if you be enemy, if my enemy, I describe you, define you, I draw the line. That is it. So, ladies and gentlemen, more continuously, do hashtag here, say, Sako the thief, bring back our money. Everybody, more do that hashtag. Sako the thief. Someone say, go report you for Facebook. I fear report. You know how many times? Report for Facebook in Yampuka. No, not for report. Report noise makers them. So, we go play what press the music while we ask all mommy type the hashtag Sako the thief, bring back our money. So all man do the hashtag Sako the thief. Everybody, Sako the thief. Everybody, that's the hashtag. So we'll make sure say we deal with this kind of criminal because we don't get space for them.
Assistant Vice President for Digital Services and Chief Information Officer, Office of Technology and Digital Services, American University of Nigeria.
Might address on one quick aspect. So you see Sako report they go bring stories about money. Say, oh, every Tato did not work because they not be able to bring receipts. Now they don't go bring another story about women. Because as I don't tell you, say, they treating they key people, where key man, now money, woman, and power. So Sako has come at top of the sleep with Iringwa. And then Iringwa say can deny say they don't buy hamburger for you. When we say Sako buy hamburger for different women. So Sako don't be now a sleep around. They eat thief money, so he like power, eat thief money, then he sleep around, so he be completely destroyed. Then for a surrogate, and for can't try for balance, and say, oh, every time you don't impregnate women, they be stay, and so on, you don't do this, do one. Listen, matter on one thing, you see me every time. The last thing when I take against me now, two women. Last. He like bring now, as I tell you last time, he like bring now, Samadora, can't make it yourself from me, so I'll say, hey, madam, welcome. Bye. Bring the women, let them come. Bring them. Nyamfuka. Sako is a thief. He stays there. He's a thief. Sako is a gigolo. I mean, just anything bad about a man, Sako is that thing. So all that are small conspiracy and so on and so forth. All when I call sexual women when I talk of Sako. Well, I'm not saying my daughter, they can't try me too now. Or when I not write me inbox, know what I like woman. You were saying your daughter, me can't try. Say, Musi, why every time to like woman? Listen, you see my life, what I do, one woman. If I like one woman, I like one woman. There's nothing any of you can do. And no man will deal with those kind of Sako cheap prostitute audio makers. Them cheap prostitute the way for 5 years they sleep 20 women. Oh, now I support Sako. That's when I operate. Very cheap prostitute. That's it. Thief. That's it. All of you, all Sako surrogate. Now the people they not prostitute them. They don't get no defined charisma. Anything negative, it be now. So that is exactly how it is. So Sako should bring back my trip to Boya. I should bring back my trip to Boya. And we are going to follow them till the last man in this America. We'll listen to music while we end the show shortly. So one fake profile calling a clone with you. Now they do all conspiracy. Right? Say we love Sako. You who? Look you one, you like, you love one, you why you love, you say right, you like one man. Look the rest of the podium. 50 people plus they write say Sako na thief man. 50 all they write na that plus 100 they only type Sako is a thief. Sako is a thief. They on a fight now. They on a make noise. I don't know. Tell me Sako is a thief. Don't hashtag that Sako is a thief. Very good. Thief, criminal. Why now? Why they not recognize for no place? America they drive in a driver. No office, no day if you go. Every day secret diplomacy to today. Today thief people them. Now can't turn eyes on raise money. When I not see nothing. Now tomorrow I will bring up voila. Very important. I don't remember some very important thing. I almost forget. So one Sako is so the way the China we don't wrong now. So now I just tell you what you will get for do very quickly. I will pull out something where it concern you. I go for it very quickly. Usa see very important. No, I think. Hold on. Very important. I want to pull out some picture. When I keep sharing before we come back, we'll end the show in 3 minutes. In 3 minutes. Come on, we need to take calls here, please. No calls today. No calls. Yes, some person writes Eric is a thief. Very good. You write I'm a thief. No problem. I agree. You write I'm a thief. Agreed. One man. But the rest of the people then they think otherwise. So that is thumbs up to moi. Very important. Sako is a thief. That's why everybody is writing. So your opinion amongst the thousands of people they watch, you know, count. Sako is a scammer. Very good. Neither the right or the all man is young. Thieves, criminals. Nyamfuka. I will make fake audio. Hey, that this. But one I proof nothing. Now end up with the all man cash Sako. Yesterday Sako is in a card game. I turn your eye. Say Amber War draft. It will be in a peace draft spot time. So I just bring up this man where I will talk about it tomorrow for my show. Very important. I will just pull out a picture. Say I already instruct restoration for me they arrest some small brother where they down there. I got a small brother in picture. I will bring it up because now they connive for now the guy this. I picture this. Now some broke guy for China. I want to just show he don't move now. I will show you this in. I will handle it tomorrow. My sure I'm very well. Okay. So now the guy picture this. When I see, I know you know. I will now me just know say a small brother waiting for down where he send me to do the rough game on behalf of Sako will go cash it. So I want to tell you, when I want to know, I tell you, I know I'm calling it not be important, but me they just see a picture. You dey China on outside there, as if I don't call them South Korea. That is small brother. Tomorrow I'll bring a picture and I will instruct restoration forces for Getty on your behalf so that I'm gonna stop that game on the play. We will listen to music, they'll end the show in 2 minutes. Thank you so much.
Julius Ayokabe, Assistant Vice President for Digital Services and Chief Information Officer, Office of Technology and Digital Services, American University of Nigeria. Yeah. Are you Richard Mataya Mende? Ajo, the bank is in it.
Very important. I'll just answer a person say you are kidnapping poor Grand Zero. First thing, the only person we will not say officially kidnapped na Field Marshal wey dey Ola Republic. Now the first person that we kidnapped they take 20 million. Chris Anu say announcer. The other person don't kidnap na Sako because he chop my trip to buy start force that Atanga and the boys and go to kidnap. Every tattoo I feel be proud. Say I will instruct the arrest of some chiefs and they will be released peacefully. That's how I need to take job for take responsibility. When I go any place, I beat my hands down. So when I forget that a small chicken conspiracy, then these Sako criminals. When I forget about that one, I need to fear nothing. For the America, the only man if you go jail now to stand, a person thief money for the country. We take refugee money chopper. Now one man Sako plus a gang. As for every time when I just order and I make the noise. So I know what myself. We'll go to FBI, all of us. Thank you so much. Sami Sako is saying I'll develop high blood because of Sako. That will be hit Ayabacho when I be clap. I know develop high blood. I start pang at the top. I'll can't develop high blood for my way cheap money. I don't get mashy there for gram. Sako don't finish. See his face yesterday when they talk, let me look at my face. You see face, you look my way. They talk say look Sako face. My way you see my he is struggle for Simai. Now yes, I know say Sako be the learn for Simai na yesterday. Ma bring that face mun asiam. Now Sako this see man with the talk yesterday. See Sako for inside meeting. Now own president that see face. We not there for Simai. Look am. President go sit down for corridor for attend meeting. Oh, come here. That grandfather. Thief where they blood. So now know what I said. High blood then have owner. Now why don't create all fake profiles and book at every tattoo. All owner. I be Christmas agreeing. Why won't catch Team mobile the Christmas? You don't see police where they go follow Team they go normal. Now fire. That's how it is. Good. Sako is a thief. We need that hashtag. And when I not forget it, so don't raise over $400,000 When I put that on a wall, so raise over $400,000 for support Swiss talk. Me Sako can go Swiss. 400,000. Put it on your wall. Over 400 for 15 minutes. Less than 15 minutes. So let's put it down. Share it on all WhatsApp groups that will raise at least 400,000. So if Sako they say we're on a fake, would you wait me? They can put it on a real. Then which will put it on a real. For the in the meantime, all man you get a responsibility but go for dark. Excluding Sako's surrogates. Don't go to that. We don't need you. We don't need your money. Keep it. Go and do those fake games with Sako. So I thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. God bless you and keep on praising God because God don't give you a son for make sure say debunk all the thieves. I'll end the show here and thank you very much. So when we leave here, go to DAC, www.dacommunity, DAC na DAC, then community.com, www.dacommunity.com. So don't last grace for normal show will take 15 minutes, we'll raise $400,000. Chris Anu they will raise now 280 or 300,000. So we know who they did on the ground. So thank you so much. I will end the show for you. God bless you now and thank you very much. So when I take 8 hours yesterday, when I jubilate today, when I cry, when I want to start to faint, when I lie, this color na fake. Now I want that they be real. When I see the money, you see. Show me one Sako is so the way can money. Say this is the money there. He send and so it pass through phone go give Sako thief people them. When I vision on our smart, my God, my cat. Grand Kumba Sako thief man they dance so criminal. So they Chris Anu. Chris Anu got pledge $500. I look and say, oh the guy them. Chris Anu pledge $500. Anu Christopher Gideon. Wonderful. Would I see the money with the dash monkey coat? Who give monkey banana? All right, my living over. Thank you so much. God bless you now. We'll listen this president music to the end before I'll end the show. Thank you so much. So we'll continue to thank all man. I will leave you now for now. Keep typing hashtag Sako is a thief. That's it. And let him bring back our money. Thank you so much. God bless you. I will answer this one question. Say, how is he going to free Ambazonia? The only way Ambazonia will be free, I will make sure say we debunk thieves. Then like Sako, you know, they take the small money where they be help picking them for them, take and pay bills and for that is the first major step to help Ambazonia. Even Professor Lumba talk say for revolution I must bring ways and for debunk thieves and get accountability to the latter, and that is what we are doing. So we will get independence by debunking Sako. Put it in your mind. Thank you so much.
Vice President for Digital Services and Chief Information Officer, Office of Technology and Digital Services, American University of Nigeria. Yeah. Wow. Thank you. I don't reach out my many. I do. I make his name.
Somebody say, Eric, you don't have anything to say, then you are listening. Sako is so good. The coach has said, you know, I'm not going to know your talk, you can't listen. Oh my God. Anyway, it was fun. So, thank you so much. We'll leave my here and say, may God bless you now. Bye for now. Bye, everybody. Thank you so much.